Gibraltar of Ghana national team, it's John Atu.
Abeg number 1.
Hey, John boy.
Abeg number 1.
You be champion. You be champion. Charlie, Bibi Aboko there.
Bibi Aboko.
Yeah, ma wakwaba. How was AFCON? AFCON to say?
Yeah, izo. Yeah, nyambe bia.
Who training wa?
So na me here training.
Wow.
Yeah, na me here training.
And Puano training any who training or pitch difference by now.
Difference we won because say about say Puano there say na nwan do so no so. Ma we fast.
Okay.
So over pitch no so ma we fast.
Okay.
And then you ma fit more and more than the field. So
they try some men over here want to know. I feel I was panting, but on the pitch I say more better than
yeah, say anything heading into who pitch no so na easy ama o. They say ball control ni man na easy ama o pitch no so.
Anything am go Dubai ko training one Puano.
Yeah. A boy. Ni nyina kan.
Oh, good.
Ni nyina kan.
Atu Ghana for Bibia Kwaba de ba Atu and Nigedi Nkomo twetwe dwumadi so and you need the deputy national captain of the national team of Ghana, the Black Stars of Ghana, the famous John Boy and Eba between Nkomo. His story. Maybe what John Boy did, obi ni mo fra akwabi, but the John Boy be kind of story. The kind of fast so at the Bayer John Boy Obia enim. Yamfa asida kese ema MTN. We there for you. MTN Eche Hyundai Santa Fe brand new cars. Mako 10 across the country for MTN Momo at 10. Another chair. MTN said open the fastest 4G plus data internet the whole Ghana and one MTN. We there for you. The network that there for you, the MTN. You don't say. I feel endpoint homeopathy clinic. The bia meka say senya endpointer. E ka buy na bia kaminya menaso. Ko for say Santana na wo ko ha, wo ye toss, wo radio, wo ye TV. So how are you able to do all this? Yes, because me the one about endpoint homeopathy clinic. 6 months bia me ko check up. Me ko check it. Me have me fasting blood sugar count. I say me kidney, me liver, me lungs. Me be okay. We are bear man now the 40 years plus. Now Johnson in Meya. Patrol ko check it prostate enlargement. Said the encounter prostate cancer. Endpoint homeopathy clinic. A free screening. Obi our prostate. And now Johnson Obrebiano. Endpoint. A screening. I'm out free. I feel Malcolm. the city #1 shopping center, the CD Saver. Ope baby abenya efie enema, office enema, adwumemu enema, me patch furniture, me patch hardware, me patch clothes, me patch cosmetics, stationery, everything. And one Melcom. Furniture Melcom shop be across the country. And abenya niema ne boefo ya tete so. Omadaroma ene yawo eye La Party Beach Hotel. Beach front, the #5-star hotel in Ghana, Labadi Beach Hotel. Beach front, and a John Boy, Oba Ghana Bia no training on that, on relaxing, on chilling after AFCON. Still, he's training. Hani didn't come to train no ebro. The famous John Boy, Ghana's deputy captain of the national team. Ghana's deputy captain, the strongest defender.
Yeah.
Yes. The Rock of Gibraltar of Ghana national team. We'll be right back. Atu! Atu! John Boy, the deputy captain.
Hey, Abigu Baucho. Hey, Ukasa, we deputy Baucho. General captain or Asambajan or Dedra you or Kojo Asamba or into Baucho.
But me who's a captain band no?
There's that time now Kojo Bobiena the day or yes is an intina Mudi Mama.
And he said more picture so na say captain ni ho no more. Na deputy captain ni ho. Who and it's been fun to national team, you know. Asamoah Gyan, general
captain.
Dede Ayew, captain. Kwadwo Asamoah, deputy captain. Until you are the #4.
Yeah.
And Ghana's strongest defender. Daddy Opanga. John Boy, Ufihefa, about the saying now about football move. Ya tuned for this year's John Boy, you cap Black Stars, national team, players, defender, John Boy account.
Abi kwenye izo, mi fritation, me a crab boy inti, me fritation. And like, you started with Coast, me bought Sweps, ewo Nungwa.
Okay.
Bought Sweps, ewo Nungwa. And a free or me call Academy BB, ewo East Legon.
Wow.
Pro Consult Sports Academy. Nti hona bibia start here and I'm ba Art of Lions and I'm bebo Art of Lions nso e hona menya call up ewo under 23 and I bibia nti hona like bibia start here Art of Lions na bibia start here nti
from Heart of Lions and I'll call him
from Heart of Lions and me call under 23 and yeah, we must me bought local blaster. Bought local blaster. And afternoon, I mean, deal with France. And I call France. Me call for trials. And I call you know, Bibiako ye. But must say me bra back. Na me be me papers ni niama. Enti ba na me be me papers ni Bibia. And sana me call back. And I'm 6 months contract. 6 months. Enti 6 months no gra like I'm going to try my share say like Bibia be okay na. And anyame adon so Bibia ko yie. Se na omo hu mi, se na me be ball trials no. Omo hu say o nipa no sa na oti. Nti enje Bibia on betumi agyae no. Nti eno anu no. Na.
And you have been in France for how many years now?
I've been in France 5 years. 5 years. And I call. I was in France because I started with the second team in France 2 years. And after, I don't know, I'm chance, and I bought my first match against Nice, France. The whole me picky sa chance no. Into no ana, me the explosive.
Wow.
Yeah.
Congratulations. Let's just say, your Cabro Fubi said the height that great men attained was not taken by a sudden flight. And yes, sir, sorry, now I'm John Boy. What ball coach, what ball from Teshinungwa, Sabo, Heart of Lions, Sabo, East Legon, coach, Abo, second division, Abo,
first
division, Abo, local Black Stars,
local Black Stars,
Meteors,
yeah,
and Sana only bad national team,
yeah,
and then we the number 4 man in the national team.
Yeah.
Congratulations once again.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
But Uko school, who are your parents? Your parents away?
My parents are in Ghana. They are in Accra.
Okay.
Yeah. And I'm me City of Ghana Academy.
Okay.
I work with Tubabi.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm me electrical engineering.
Wow.
Yeah. So I have all my. I have me or me BBR.
Like, to me repair electronics.
Of course. In the house, I do sometimes.
Into machine be say I wanna see.
Electricity, like if I have problem with electric, like conduit wiring and surface wiring and everything.
Wow.
So, that
you
one
didn't know.
Problem.
Sir John Boy, electrical engineering was City Academy.
City of Ghana Academy.
City of Ghana Academy.
Yeah, that's CITEC.
What boss the famous John Boy. I have with me as a person ufi defense why are your roommate? What is the relationship between you and
Asamboajan?
Group captain Asamboajan?
Baby Jet.
That's what done for pa.
The number 1 striker.
The number 1 striker. Anyway, it's true. Even in Africa,
of course. Yeah.
He has more goals.
Yeah, more goals. Yeah.
More goals after Etophils.
Yeah, I think it's him.
Yes, after Samuel Etophils. Not just even the Black Stars of Ghana.
Yes.
Obian share goals and share Samoaja.
Yeah. So I meet him in Rennes.
Okay.
Where I went for trials.
France.
Yeah, that's France. Yeah. I met him there, and a young player coming up. That time he was playing Udinese, and he get transferred to Rennes.
So no, you done for Ghana.
David.
Now we need to Ghana.
Ghana there, like minim say, or like Asamboajan minim sa, but on me close to him like that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Satana minje na done for, like minje na done for.
It is Ushia Asamboajan or France.
Yeah. Say I say like new player and I'm call France new. Minim European life is not easy. And yeah, easy crowd wanti. Minim but no there say what na Europe sa and on him there because of how the life is in Europe and everything. So he is the one that tried to guide me small over there and everything. You because did you or there sometimes me hear duani na ye did
oh that's nice
no so hear duani e bia me yes stew no so hear rice nti like e hona bibia start here like
it's beautiful yeah who's Black Stars mu Asamboajan wa dan for pa wa your roommates moko camp ni ade
yeah
we are very close pa
close pa
but AFCON 2019 who said not more the same room in here. Why?
Oh, when they say Bani say like or no like say who say no general captain. Okay. Sometimes no officially say on one like or stay alone in Yama. Yeah. For sometimes it's privacy and everything. Okay. So sometimes it's normal.
Why they discover or say we bet me about football? Who discovered you?
One coach, Coach Richard, is in Nungwa, Swaps, yeah, where I was playing the coast and everything. Yeah, he's there. He's still a coach.
Big up to you.
He's
Coach
still a
Richard.
coach. Yeah, Coach Richard. Yeah, Anansi, he's the one. And after, when I was playing at the coast and everything, and one man called Nana Yeboah, the Proconsult Sports Academy, where I went in East Legon. So after that, he have a deal with Victor, Heart of Lions.
Heart of Lions.
Yeah. So I come to Heart of Lions and I start playing there with the Premier League. So that's where I started the Premier League. I play
yes, with defender be a wicked. Oh, person, you're a good defender. You must be wicked because people expect you say as I said, prevent goals.
Yeah, no, you have to be.
So you are wicked?
Not that wicked, but at least I have to prevent my goal. So anything possible I have to do to prevent my goal, that's what I have to do.
Even if it will cost you red card?
Yeah, of course, to prevent my goal. But it depends on how you are going to prevent it to not to get the red card. And sometimes too, it depends on how you are going to do. So that if you get the red card, you get it because there is no another option. Into sometimes say bani sa.
Into shada na ma yema red card no.
Da. Say referee no cry suspending because the oye no say because you bought like 47-50 minutes. You cannot tell me that I'm delaying time on that time. And if it's like that, you have to come and warn me. You can never just come and do. And after when he did, he himself he was surprised because he don't know that he has given me yellow card already. So when he gave me the card, he was like.
Ghana frontier say bro finisher.
Me patch say like referee no on him say wa ma me card dada. In the time on ma me card na no hu here. So if say mu be sure impression I want nanim no into after no catch here they say why we power because on him say wa ma me yellow card dada.
It sometimes referees need be admitted some my mistake.
Of course. Sometimes some catch here some ye ni party say
okay.
Into nipa bia fault won hu. And now to me mistakes. Because if there is no correction, there will not be mistakes.
Yeah, who said I we mistake? How tired was a good to say, John Boy? How tired was a good to say? Are they?
Say no, I say part of the game. I can't Jumano because sometimes what you are expecting, that's not how the thing goes. And just an idea no call. Into Abanisa, I was why disappointed, but you have to. I mean, I say sorry, Bill. To say what of I say sorry, Bill. Now you know so.
John Boy, yeah, the BBA told you, what boy Ghana national team, the Black Stars.
Yeah.
Fat John Boy, Jonathan Mensah, Chese, Moe Chiro no more. Like, yeah, come to him say, a ban of blocking, you know, goals are put to me there, but what I to ampa too much. Bopa now, but Bono to ampa, and we have an I think say a very good video clip. Ampa bakupa. Sometimes
sometimes to me happy can you jumanu to me banisa can you jumanu unto me jefe in say banisa should ni obe to me because sometimes say banisa eje wa dwi say go person unti ampa this say we adwuma eje wa dwi say munye dia o eje say o person unje bibia correct but sometimes we nya ni sa
e dey na ma wa popular pa as you know footballer of the national team. Why a popular? They say John Boy a popular. Actually, like AFCON 2019 and even before AFCON 2019 from Brazil 2014. And now John Boy a John Boy sir. And dear Pana more popular sir.
Yeah, I said my Jumano.
Some we are 12 players. And now Momo. You pitch this, but who are popular?
I mean, Jimmy will be a popular player, be a popular, say player.
Oh, try to be a actually John Boy.
I say, the Pado, me fan,
shout out to John Boy fans. Follow us near from saying, say, shut and crop one way. Pam. Saturday success.
Me musician.
Oh, very good. Only a musician, but only as somewhere jam.
Then they are like Nipano no person here or see or person yes we
Mame line back. John Boy or Sansu a musician.
Because I be a musician.
Only Castro.
Yeah. And I can say Nipano or person on your yum like Castro, like or person yembam. Like yembe can't be being shemu keke.
It's line better okay. Okay and you.
I said oh said there's we kai.
Okay then okay. It's Muntie John Boy. Castro featuring John Boy.
And Anadu Shaka.
And Anadu Shaka.
And a baby jet.
And a baby jet.
Because say accelerator down. JB baby jet ke wo le mo nko John Boy we ba le we ke before nko sele gbegbe yi adele ake yo ni imade sweet bro ni no kev no benje to ni kincho bi imbe bi error.
So John Boy sounds a rapper. Nice rhyming. Okay, good. Okay, sorry.
I'm quite sorry.
Quite sorry way.
Me a Presbyterian.
Ewa hifa.
Ewa Teshi Triblo.
Nti wo buy wo kwa sorry.
E be buy and me call.
Oh, okay.
But me call answer na me call.
Na broche mutumi kwa sorry.
Okay, baby, I me one day. Sorry. You like Catholic be na wo ba no okra time I be call sorry na wo ko match. We say weekend I ball matches ni amanti Eddie untumi call sorry.
Ready Ghana football say wa broche mo bo na adwuma ni nti. Untumi call sorry.
Eddie.
Atu! Ma yamfa da Emma Labadi Beach Hotel. Yes. One stop amazing 5-star services. If you want the best hospitality, accommodation, conferencing, events, this is Labadi Beach Hotel, the 5-star hotel in Ghana. Labadi Beach Hotel and a beachfront. Labadi Beach Hotel and even Olympic swimming pool. What do I say? Labadi Beach Hotel and conferences, event centers. Labadi Beach Hotel has exotic appointed rooms special for you. So the best hospitality facility in Ghana is Labadi Beach Hotel. Not only in Ghana, but in West Africa. Yeah. Everything is excellent, bespoke. So for your family getaways, for your wedding honeymoons, for your anniversaries, for your family events, look no further. Yes, Labadi Beach Hotel has hosted heads of state from all over the world. This is the #1 hotel in Africa, here in Ghana, the oldest and still the #1.
Yeah.
Labadi Beach Hotel. And I did the famous John Boy interview on a 2 Ebron by Fasidama MTN. We there for you, Ghana's network that works for you. MTN Emma 10 brand new 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe cars for MTN Momo at 10. So keep on sending money on your MTN Momo. The more I will send this car or MTN Momo, so every day dial *120 and hash to check your points. Or build a pointer. You stand a chance of winning a brand new Hyundai Santa Fe 2019 Tier Rubber and Mochiam. And not all. I feel so smart Samsung LED television, smart LED television or smart TVs from MTN Momo. And you can also win up to 3,000 Ghana cedis cash all on MTN. MTN Momo at 10. So keep on sending money and you win money from MTN. And that chair, Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Yes, O Johnsona Emba, O prostate enlargement, Ukoto Wunti, Yarabia Halbiana, Bra Endpoint, na Endpoint, you bet Yari nephew, Ama and Tempa, and a Malcolm, where Ghana shops, the family shopping retail center. But Bia Malcolm will be an alcohol, Hona Benya Nema Nebuefo. Yene a year. John Boy, the famous John Boy, a professional footballer who has played from coach to
professional level.
Yes, from coach, Wabo, Meteors, Wabo, local Black Stars, Wabo First Division. Just like John Boy has built his career. And yes, oh, sorry, I'm not John Boy. He's the #1 defender for the national team. Dabe and a John Boy Ebeko retirement. What makes a penalty dana? Okay, yeba sisia. We'll be right back. John Boy! Atu! We're still at Labadi Beach Hotel, the 5-star hotel in Ghana. And there are 2 bro. Thanks to MTN, yeah, the Endpoint Homeopathy, I say, and I feel so, yeah, that Malcolm 4, I say, big up to the director, Mr. Boama, and the director general, Mr. Kill, and the director general international, Dr. Father Dixon. Big up to you guys. John Boy, Yaba, second segment. I have your friend of Hot Seats.
I'll be sorry. Oh,
David. Oh, yeah, that's it. Oh, thank you so much. Your first saying Asante J. Yeah. The only bar lady at Labadi Beach Hotel. Asante Ayedana Sepa. Thank you so much. Why? Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Yeah, that's it.
Thank you. Okay, so John Boy, anyway, then you atu. After training. Way, hey, mango, fresh, or Labadi Beach Hotel. John Boy, yet it's 2014, Brazil, Moko World Cup. What the pressure Emma coach Kwesi Appiah say, Adams Kwarase, in film because on Tichi.
Oh,
Aden Amoye Mafia, Emma Yehi Adams Kwarase, a national team.
wow. No, it's not going to be possible. We can't do that. The coach is doing selection. How can you go and convince the coach to do this? No, yeah, to me, yes, no. Say, yeah, ni party on one I see on T3, but we speak English, so he speak English too. We cannot do such a thing. Aye, Ghanaians. Aye,
okay.
We talk.
I say so, John Boy.
Yeah.
We are still on hot seat. Into other questions in your Busan, bang. 2019 African Cup of Nations, AFCON, Egypt. Proud to the AFCON, Asamoah Gyan, group captain, or resigning here. So on Bob Black Stars, you what here?
Yeah, me too, pa.
What here, and how did you take the news?
I was just thinking that it's a joke or something like that. Me do say agrobi ana bibisa because
but then agro.
Not doing agro kra na mudi. Nti e ba no sakra po mi tissue ase mi nim de ekoso kra po. Nti mi ti ye no and obi musu frame o mu bisa me say den ekoso nka cho say mi nim hwe o mi nim de ekoso obisa say de ekoso no yampa na mi say mi nim say yampa na say yampa enya yampa. Nti mi try say me frɛ no but me try but me san kan. Nti then after no na meeting say oni nana oni your president akasa ni amaba bibia okay say ana dia yeah
John Boy, tu comprends français?
Oh, je parle très bien français.
Deep French and I say 2x4 French now.
Because I can express myself and everything. They ever boy me to me express myself in everything. So
it will be a Anglophone country now, but French country, you know. Send out communication at here.
For the first time I was there, time I call off from and I say like by this time and everything.
This time, you know.
I say me can French until like we communicate in French, so I speak French.
Now call for no difficult.
I don't have problem no. Edding. I know the edding because me nim she yes brakra me nim I say the che and almost English. Some people of them like omuka English but omu person beka. Nti e ba ni sa no na ma bibia edim pa mami edim pa
French school.
Man go French school.
Nti we dey na so French ka.
See na me ni omu frefre mu sa ye nu sa. Me call enu and I sign 6 months no. And I'm teacher for 1 month. I'm teacher. So say a court training na ba na teacher na friend say and I said the first time I teach you because because training na be ba my bread because training no any training I Ghana no different.
Okay.
And me ba my bread me just show it say onu so friend me say you be class ni niama na me buefu. Na me buefu because me say me ji ma wo me. Nti ye gumusa 1 month me can't you say me to me nti omuma teacher no dey onko omuma teacher no me pese me bio nti omuma teacher no
we a defender ebi wa out to me ba midfield ebi wa out to me ba forward line
yeah
ever striker. What is the difference between a defender, midfielder and a striker?
As a defender you have to defend your goal. As a midfielder, you take the ball and give to the strikers to score. So the strikers are there to score. Put the balls in the net. That's what we want.
Yeah. What about penalty that?
What about penalty that? Say 2015, 2015. Yeah, call finals no.
Yeah.
Say boss, who do you cry? Why we do so? Obia boy, cry keep a scrap a boy. My boy.
Say Ghana nya penalty. E wo crucial match mu. Na say wo na we captain.
Yeah.
E wo field ne so a. Ube take decision say as a captain and also as a defender. Ube ball.
No, me doing say like yeah, right because there are strikers there. Strikers were until to me can't share striker because sure striker na be sure ono na e juma say on share goals no. Until say penalty aba I say striker on ball and just a defender free echi no be ball.
But Wakaso aya o time e ball penalty.
So a midfielder.
Okay.
Or a midfielder until
on your striker.
Dabi or a midfielder. And or a midfielders to me ball. Until we one kasa share said who your defender who free out on what you what free echi to who ba ball like either midfielder or striker, they have to take the penalties.
Who follow Ghana locally?
Not really.
Why?
Me follow some of the matches like Kotoko and House of Folk and all that. Yeah, that one there I do. Yeah.
Your favorite local team,
My favorite?
Yeah.
Heart of Lions.
Okay. Before I joined Heart of Lions, now our club, local club.
I say House of Folk.
Okay, so you want to Heart of Folk.
House of Folk. And I me pe Kotoko but
who compare your local league and the French local league? Difference by the one.
French local league.
Yeah.
There's a difference. There's a difference. There's a difference.
As you see, a difference. And then the French league is different from Ghana league.
I say like I didn't say how like the professionalism no more and a ban say ebia sika sem ni man because sometimes in Ghana no local league no sometimes it's because of sika like they don't put money in their clubs, so sometimes the players are got frustrated and everything like yeah na omu to me bobo no because or dream says or we are then okodi wo fie say then okodi ebia or Nigeria. So I'm sure you are because I'll be grabbing Ginny when he said because on your scar, a be Obamano, and I want to me showing him back and I'll be visa. Until sometimes no, Eddie, Emma, like local players, no, Eddie, Palmomo, because Omunya scar, Omu fast can she Eddie.
Last year, Anas, Anas, at the expose ever to a corruption, a coso, a feeling. Any idea? Some way I'm a Ghana, but GD say you football or corruption. Only one way I drink.
Say no, there's a Obia who say like Ghana football, no Obia who say corruption.
And also affecting the Premier League, Nana.
Yeah, of course. I can say I also bet me affect the Premier League because Sebanisa referees no be careful. And I enjoy referees no go in painful no be careful. And I say Sebanisa so I'm not be need out. I'm not be need out until I can one of those things.
So we share tournament don't boy what now they compare AFCON 2019 on the scale of 1 to 10. 2019 AFCON, who be rating who say?
Question you
They say, you what tournament is brave for Black Stars.
Yeah.
You fought 2019 Egypt AFCON here.
Yeah.
From 1 to 10, one kasa who rating or performance, who rating saying? 1 to 10, remember how saying?
So say a depending tournament be a depending.
The AFCON 2019. Who be rating who saying from 1 to 10?
No,
performance.
I'll give myself like 6.
6.
Yeah.
Okay, 6 is above average. So 6 is good.
Yeah.
7 is very good. 8 is very, very good. 9 to 10. Okay, 10 is excellent. Now, Obi Awama good. When you have 2 yellow cards and some are over red card.
Yeah.
AFCON 2019, only 6 red cards and a buy. You have about 51 matches.
Yeah.
When I get the first red card.
Yeah. New record.
What's also what the record? What's the record? What's also the 2 yellow cards? Now, Oma was 6. I didn't know Oma was 3.
I don't know, my 3.
Yes.
But say me aka say me umba for around there.
I me ka say why yellow cards me lu. I just red card back one. Still now I'm on 6.
I say uti adwuma na ase a wan ka say obehu say the course no part of the game.
Okay.
Part of the so bia nya red card and che say adwuma no onim ye ana say bibi nti na onya saa de no. E na nipa na oye saa no so ono so atua ne uka. What you say? Nti enye say bia wanya red card ana wanya yellow card and che say like you don't know what you are doing on the field of play. No, not like that. The people who know football, they will understand the game. And people who understand it will know why and why you did it and why you didn't. Nti omu nimbo omu a ombehu. Nti who boy like I think sometimes and chess grappa say udwin say unim dia wo ye e we adwuma e na wo ye. Nti unim dia say won ye e na dia say won ye.
Nti how wa mana how cry.
Ha mi pa and I make no on say enye ma adwin say mi ko akodi ana say mi ko bu obi na ana say mi enye sa but sometimes no it happen e wo game no sa na ye adwuma no ti
Ghana for it me praise footballers I feel me mistake I know when Joma show say bye say na be describing the fan base and they said there you know fans e wo Ghana omo kasa efa eye mo performances so
say sometimes no and I can say Juma it say bani sa fans no e bia say na onim say wo betumi aye no e bia wan nya sa wan ye e bia wan ye nti e bani sa onu so like na bembu because onim say minim say nipa we otumi ye say nim say onya obeye say nti e bia e bani sa na ye say na bembu ba nipa no say onu wan kasa onim say onim de obetumi aye nti say na bembu kura onu kasa nim say obetumi aye bibi
2014 we don't come back to World Cup.
Yeah.
And Ghana for started say Odwa Omo the national team no started say eba form because of Nsensewa eba ina. UTV despite media 2019 AFCON. You say the fan base and I say euphoria and what Ghana for the national team eco form. Iti managing director Dr. Father Dixon na any team started say yeah prepare up sentiment ekoye mu jerseys first no nanka Ghana for fans omo what the ma support omo ma blaster there high say see aba form and then am be really back you know the fans who used to hail and praise you and then am be really omo heart back.
We have to bring the cup. That's the most important thing. I say Yankofa Kuanumbra. I don't know Bema their morale will come up again. Like they will continue supporting you more. Because Mbani is a bedding power. And Omo so no bet me aye and I bet to me akwa Diaba. Because Omo knew yes we knew.
AFCON 2019 and Kofwa criticizing Coach Kwesi Appiah. Oma kasasa say Coach Kwesi Appiah wanya there. 10 minutes to the end of the game, not the Asamoah Gyan aba. Asamoah Gyan, ususu se senke de ne bamu ntem earlier than 10 minutes and kebeboa na.
Yeah, me dream say beboa. But coach decision nti ono nim de oye. Yeah.
Etibo wa camp na muntumi suggest bibia.
I'm a coach and I said
aye, muntumi ka check coach say oh coach, e pa cho group captain. O man ba mu ntem kakra be boy me defender ma bre ono so a striker be mo betumi abo mu tumi suggest
oh sometimes you yet me kasa but and I can say ono a coach into ono decide because he say or to me decide say hey John we match we me I don't need you so sit down here or something like that
so kasa coach no tie
ona I saw tie don't sometimes ono na decide obetumi akasa ebi aman ma share madwin ebi osu wa share wadwin ebi obi so share nadwin ba ni nyina no ono na decide ono na decide
mo ka se o mo ko fa cap na ba mo be ko no ye de na enu sha mo mfamba ampa mo mfamba
mu ye de na mu se ya mfamba
ye de na enu sha mo mfamba how many try matches na mo boy ansa na mo ko tournament no how many times and I'm ball try matches a training here. It's here who said Send your Benin, Senegal. I serious no. And I feel so no. The way I'm over ball. Why it is a Brazilians of Africa. Master game, pass 2014. The fastest goal, the earliest goal against America, US. In less than 2 minutes, they are sharing. Sa, you know, first way, pa, we are sharing. A dainty and a move tournament. In fact, you as a defender, and then preparation away and send out their combo match.
As a defender, you are talking about me, right? Into me, semi combo baller. I'll just be quiet, like be listening to music, be listening to something, maybe some words of motivation. So that's what I put in my ears, and I'll be listening to it to prepare myself, because I take it like I'm going for a war. If I don't kill him, he will kill me. So I will just be listening to the motivation words and the music. So that's where I get my motivation ready for the game. For me, then I'm ready for the game. So I'm there, I'll be just praying and listening to the motivation words. That's what keeps me.
And I make us say, yeah, now you say, move fuck up and then back.
And I maybe say, we are then, and I'm who say, yeah, fuck up, no back.
Who train
and that the all can say, I say, the all can women say, yeah, fuck up, no back. Just
yeah, me, yang, the dorsal. If you despite media, and I almost said, bomb by
say who bomb by
any GDA.
Say who did part of Bonsenko.
Yeah, bomb pie, but Ushe, Wadina, Bonoa. Because first few minutes,
say a that's football.
No,
anything can happen.
I don't think I make us say,
yeah.
Ushe will put it. I said, almost psyche to be a Bellevue, almost scouting, almost spy, almost training, and almost weaknesses. Most starting match be a move master game, pass, now move pass in beach, will be a move back when you now move beach. It's only a payas almost striking. I want to know, say, even at camp, and then you prepare my day says how much we move. How should you go and fight to win?
Everybody know what he's capable of doing. Obiani the okoye ye park me so it's so drew and you obi na ka chen say yes ye ni ye unkasa but when you say hey Charlie aduma time asu nti obi are prepare for the game and I say na e ba no so after what happened, we play 1-1 and after we play 2-1, if I didn't get the red card, what is going to happen? What is going to be the score? It is a bad side. Someone said a can't game no more. That's part of the game. Sana game you sometimes. So that you go and do your homework well and come back again. That's how the thing is.
And Crawford said, Blasters were Mupesika too much. In fact, you compare more to other African nationals team. Mumudi Sikakrachi Ubia. And then there be a winning bonus. And I'm going to take up Yamamoka, Yamamodan, Yamamusi.
Can't never been by it. Man, I say, my
2009.
2009.
Egypt, one movie.
2010.
2010.
That movie.
One movie. And no munya cast.
2015 no munya cast. 2009 I call fan no.
Yeah.
Yeah, ni Abricos.
I know. Yeah, no munya cast.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, the come to train baby. A day na be catch obi a ono so ye footballer or coach or first division or second division or try or person or back out. Your friend in national team or person bobo wa broche, they look up to you and then I be catch you on.
Me person say nkrofo no mo like ade anu de enye easy. Adwuma no de enye easy kra ba ni nyina chira say wo mia wani. Wo betumi afa kwan bebre so. And Bibia ni wa one kasa wo de atu wani say wo beye and I want to me ye. Wo di tu wani say ball na me see me ball wo betumi abo. Ni nyina depending wo sana wo determine se na wo pese wo ye enti minuanum muti ase se adwuma no enye easy ba wo di tu anim se obetumi aye dia a obetumi aye ni nyina discipline that's the key. Discipline, that's it. So guys, it's not easy, just keep working hard, huh? It's well, huh? It shall be well.
Okay. So also go school or Teshi and
City of Ghana Academy.
No, I know technical school, make a primary school.
Primary school, yeah, it's under Teshi.
Teshi school.
Yeah, Teshi 5.
Teshi 5.
Yeah, primary school.
Namusia rhymes in a poem. Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
A lion in your opera as well. A lion has a tail. He has a big head. And that's what's going.
One year rhyme beer. What kindness you rhyme beer?
And say lion.
Teshi 5.
Say lion.
Back up and
twinkle, twinkle, little star. Oh, Mirevi.
O ferry idea.
Pa.
O ferry idea.
Pa.
Do you then now compare Oba? Obi a ferry idea, then catch Oba some peel.
Omo mi sign. Omo mi sign.
Omo sign. Adu. See, your boy a very free guy. He's a nice guy, you know. What do you say? It's a person that was say, "You're fast in the Oma, a Labadi Beach Hotel, Labadi Beach Hotel, the 5-star hotel in Ghana. And a swimming pool that is like Olympic standard, a swimming pool, garden, beach resorts, just conference centers, event centers, you know." Restaurants, bar, the rooms, just a upper hotel. A one Puano Ghana, or Accra, the capital. It is a Abuja, and one Labadi Beach Hotel. Hanene, Yedi Bema John Boy, 32 years, real age. I was the national team. 32 years, John Boy, or the real age. And to sir, to bet to me up for the next 8 years.
Hey.
I don't know.
Say does too much.
Oh, 8 years ago, say no 40 years.
And what is this how?
Okay, but the man the best 6 years.
Eventually, Nyambe.
Okay, Nyambe for 6, 32, no, then 38. Why? In this Satana was why a group captain.
Yeah, that was Pejamisa. Gra.
You better job boy say. I feel so you that MTN for say. So my so you we patrol. So when you sue MTN and network ben abi you sue Ghana. You be south. Say nye MTN network ben and a year e Ghana apart from MTN. Ebi ni ho. Moko be. What you say? Obi ani say the #1 telecommunication network MTN. MTN brand new Hyundai Santa Fe 2019 brand new. Emotion tear rubber. Send the Momo every day. And then a man should be sending Momo, Emma Mema. Momo me, a Momo you. Momo me, a Momo you. Who we are? Now I check your point. *120# and no. MTN Emma Hyundai Santa Fe brand new 2019 10 or Jessica or Smart Samsung TV. Any actually baby. I feel so endpoint homeopathy clinic. Yeah, be a how be a but your telephone numbers are a good endpoint advert. So that from Sia near Bejoso. And I'm Malcolm, Upe Bibiato, Empire dining table, and a dining chair, Upe furniture, and then be a TV, electronic gadget, microwave oven, and chancing Malcolm, the city #1 shopping center. Malcolm, the city saver. You know, my CP and the production crew. It will be a my dignity. And I could point out my new Beshia next week. I have my John Boy, and John Boy will make Ghana proud one day.